Dreaming of becoming doctors, study MBBS at NMC and WHO recognized universities in Bangladesh, Nepal, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan and Timor-Leste at a fraction of the cost in India. From admissions and visas to education loans, Good Shepherd handles it all. Visit Good Shepherd Shillong today.
Usambut Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya uba Prestone Tinsong ula Pynphai nia ya ke Jingkynnoh jong Menteri Rangba ke Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma ubala ong ba ke Jingpam lu mer ke Jingte Hajorabat ki dei ke daw ko Jingshlei ha Guwahati. Haba kren chikla pathai khubor ha ka arpu khnai trek unai tung arja arpen riu uba Prestone ula ong ba amla ban Kynnoh tangye ke Meghalaya namar ke Jela ke dan ha ke benta ke bakham Shalon ka ba ke Assam pat ke dan ha ke benta ke bakham Shapo. Ula ong ba ke jing pher ha pedeng ka high level but low level ke de ke jinglong jingman ke mariang but om de ban Jingkynnoh marway henry de ban shimlang ke jingket clear but wat lang ke sin jam ban Pynphai ya ke jing air kuman shukdo uba Himanta Biswa Sarma ula Kynnoh ba ke jingpam lu me ke jingte ha ka than jorabat ki pinlong ya ko slap ban tu Guwahati ka bala pinjor ya ke Jingshlei dat pin so asat ya ki patba. Ula ong ru bakat kum ka kai pot jong ka empowered committee bla thung da Supreme Court of India la kado ba gi jingte bupi ain hakathan jorabat khamtam hajan ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya ki bo jingmai ka sor Guwahati parwat ya ka kat ling sun ru.
I think I should not think anything about it. You need to go and see yourself. Because see, if you're talking about the flood happens because of what? It is not in hilly. It happens in the lower level. When you are in the lower level, if a proper drainage or a proper infrastructure is designed, so naturally it happens. And you can't even know exactly when are we receiving heavy rainfall or low rainfall. It's not possible, humanly speaking, to foresee all these kind of challenges. So therefore, I think this blame, time and again, I think comes to Meghalaya. It comes to Meghalaya easily just because we are in the higher level, whereas Assam is in the lower level. So we can't help it. I mean, it's not possible to directly blame to Meghalaya, or it's not possible Meghalaya also to blame Assam. I think ultimately we are responsible, both. We are together responsible. Why do we have a low level? Why do we have high level? You understand my point? So we both are equally responsible here. The concerned consultant engaged, whether by the state or by the central government, that component is already there. They need to also take into consideration all these issues. Drainage system has to be properly done. Then again, maybe the culvert system has to be also in place. These are the issues where they have already taken care of. And then yes, about this coming project, because see what happened is Assam, they will have a 6-lane ring road. So it will be benefited to Meghalaya too, because from Sonapur, again we will convert our Meghalaya road towards Silchar as a speed corridor, and from Sonapur somewhere it will connect somewhere in this Ribhoi site only, that speed corridor, and it will be meeting here somewhere in that Unya, yes. In that that speed corridor which that is high speed right now. Yeah, yes.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.